Hey everyone, Paul Giese, tool sales specialist here at LDV, and today we're going to take a look at Glen Losey's new 22-foot Peterbilt. Let's go take a look. In the entry here we have two graded steps and a simple pull-out tray. This helps keep dirt, debris, etc. from getting in the truck itself, protecting the floors. In the repair station area here is smooth plate aluminum with a rolled stainless steel edge, very durable. Over here we have the extra deep parts drawers. These will fit the snap-on tool trays with the magnets in the bottom. We have 6 socket drawers with low-profile magnets in each drawer. Here we have our ratchet repair drawer with color-coded boxes for each of the different repair kit sizes. Here we have a flat lighted knife display, and you'll notice on the inside we've put magnets behind this material that allows you to put the open knife on there and not worry about it cutting the loops. And here we have our cordless power tool display. On this wall here you see we've done black slat wall down the entire wall, and we have some removable shelves here. Like some of the features that you've seen in today's video and ready to start designing your own truck? Request your personalized login to our truck design website or contact your sales rep for assistance. Thanks for watching today. We're always here to help.